Here I was in Pune, so it was not cold there. I feel much colder here.
And we don't have central heating in India, so obviously everything is out. Hello, Rani, how are you? So nice to see you. Shweta, how are you? People trickling in, joining in. Let's start, okay? So I'm going to start with guys what Get Set Up is all about. Get Set Up is all about a virtual medium on which the education is provided for the seniors of society. And people like me who are 50 plus who are on this forum and educating other people. So actually to be राज की बात ये है कि मुझे education भी मिलती है आप लोगों से. Then the point is that I get educated by you and you get educated by me. हम दोनों एक दूसरे से सीखते हैं इस जगह पे. ये पैसे बनाने की जगह नहीं है. This is so that आपको education मिले. इस तो मैं कौन हूँ? मैं अनु मेहता हूँ एंड मैंने पीएचडी करी है ऑल्टरनेट साइंसेस में. मैं पाइनियर इन द फील्ड ऑफ मेटा हेल्थ, एडवांस क्लियरिंग एनर्जेटिक्स, मैट्रिक्स रीइम्प्रिंटिंग इन इंडिया. एंड मेरा मकसद ये था जब मैं इंडिया वापस आई थी कि लोगों के चेहरे पे खुशी कैसे लाना. रियलिटी ये थी कि लोगों के चेहरों पे खुशी का तो मुझे पता है कि मेरे अंदर बहुत उदासी थी. मैं उस समय चेक रिपब्लिक छोड़ के मैं इंडिया आ रही थी और एक पूरा कॉन्टिनेंट चेंज किया. आई वॉज मूविंग फ्रॉम चेक रिपब्लिक टू इंडिया एंड आई हैड टू चेंज अ होल कॉन्टिनेंट. और उस दौरान काफ़ी सैड सैड थी मैं. काफ़ी सैड सैड थी. ऐसा लगता था ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो गई है, लाइफ हैज़ कम टू एन एंड और आगे कुछ बढ़ने वाला नहीं है. और ऐसे आई सपोज आपकी ज़िंदगी में भी ऐसे दौरान आए होंगे जब आपको लगा होगा बस सब खत्म हो गया. You must have also felt like this where you felt everything is just going to come to an end. And that is exactly the place I was in at that point. मुझे ऐसा लगा बस आज के बाद मैं खुश होने वाली हूँ नहीं, क्योंकि सब दोस्तों को पीछे छोड़ के आगे निकल आना कोई आसान काम नहीं होता. To leave everybody who you love behind and then to move ahead is a very very difficult place to be in. तो यहाँ से मेरी separation not just from my country but जब मैं इंडिया पहुंची तो मेरे फादर काफ़ी बीमार थे. बीमार हो गए इनके अंदर. मेरे पहुंचने के बाद ही fell into the bath और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे मेरे डैड इसके बाद कभी नहीं मिलेंगे. बहुत emotions अंदर pick up करी. My dad was lying down in the pool of blood and I thought I'm going to lose him forever.
Anu, we can't hear you. Is it only me or you understand Anu? No, huh? Ah, she's gone.
I think Divya, you have become the host now. Should I call her up or something like that? Should I call up Anu and ask her?
I think it will be better.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, somehow I've become the host, but I do not know how. I'll just reach out to her. Yeah, no, Divya, yeah. Yeah, you've been somehow thrown off, and what do I do? I mean, should I speak? I mean, okay, you're trying to log in back? Sure, sure, sure. Somehow, I guess you made me the host, or I do not know how I've become the host. Okay, I will. Come soon. Yeah, yeah. Hi. So, somehow dragged into this. Y'all would like to speak on what would you like to speak? I am a homeopath and a yoga counselor and a general clinical counselor too. So any queries which you all have, I would like to address. Or some conversation we could just pick up somewhere.
Is this
Okay.
class? Is this class negative? Negative.
It's how to manage negative thoughts.
Yes.
That is by Anu Mehta, Binaji. But somehow I was feeling very sleepy. I said, no, something I will gain. Let me spend an hour because the evening is also again booked. Somehow I'm dragged into this.
Oh, I see. So then you decide whatever you like to give us as a knowledge plate.
Put a little thread, at least throw a little spark, and then I can grow on
Yeah,
it.
Divya ji, I have got a suggestion. You know, you should give, you should give us some kind of exercises to do in between the lectures. Like me and Beena, we were both in the earlier lecture of David Baka. So we are sitting in the chair and one after the other, not me, but many of us are listening. So in between, what kind of exercises?
Shubhangi, did you attend my back lecture on Monday? So
Yes,
I told you.
Monday, I know. Mondays are really bad with me. Too much of work. So, and one more, another suggestion, like we want to attend the lecture, but because of some urgent thing, we can't. So how do we get to that, or at least the repeat lecture if we come to know?
Yes, actually the thing is, you know what they have, we can repeat lectures after 15 days. But today I attended Mr. Raju Ganda's lecture also at around 12:15. It was very, you know, the Gmail, the things which you may not know. And each point was like an atom bomb, very, very significant, right? So there was this another lady, even Vandana Saxena, and another lady who said, look, I've been working in central government, but we never had this Gmail and all this, you know. So what I have written in my feedback today, I mean, I really took the time to type it very long. I said, see, today I just realized, and like I feel I do not know much of banking and much of internet because I'm from the science background. But my friend is from the commerce background, and she also said, you know, I get scared of internet banking. My husband also gets scared of internet banking.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you. Really appreciate this. Angels are love you. Thank you. So let's emotions. Thank you. So I got thrown out, and that's what happens in life. You just get thrown out sometimes from wherever you are, and that's when you experience all these emotions in your body. I heard so much about what's negative emotion, what's positive emotion. Let's for a minute just think, what is an emotion first of all? Let's ask you guys, what do you think is emotion? So I have a set of PowerPoints that I'll be sending you at the end. So don't worry, don't have to take down any notes per se. Just follow me. Yeah. So Divya, what according to you are emotions? What according to Anya emotions? Emotions hoti kya hai? ये emotions ये जो हम लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि अरे emotion हो गया मुझको, ये emotion होती क्या चीज है? Negative या
Ma'am, can I say?
Please.
Emotion, I think, is energy in motion.
Very good, शाबाश. और क्या है उसका मतलब क्या है? Energy in motion तो सभी बोल देते हैं. उसका मतलब what exactly is emotion?
मतलब जहाँ पे हमारी अटेंशन होती है, चाहे वो अच्छी चीज हो या बुरी हो, जो भी हो, जहाँ पे हमारी अटेंशन फ्लो होगी वहीं पे वो वो चीज बोलते ना पलपती है।
एब्सोल्युटली ज्योति,
Mind.
बिल्कुल है कि जहां पे हमारी इमोशंस, जहां पे हमारी नजर जाएगी वहीं पे इमोशंस देखेंगे। 2 मिनट के लिए, फॉर 2 minutes गाइज, ऑल ऑफ यू राइट नाउ थिंक व्हाट आर यू फीलिंग। मैं जब इमोशन बोलती हूँ उसका मतलब है व्हाट आर यू फीलिंग, आप महसूस क्या कर रहे हैं अभी, राइट नाउ आप महसूस क्या कर रहे हैं। जरा 2 सेकंड के लिए सोचिए क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं। और हमेशा मैंने ये देखा है कि लोग जो महसूस करते हैं ना और जो कहते हैं वो दो अलग चीजें होती हैं। महसूस क्या कर रहे हैं? दिव्या, क्या महसूस कर रहे हो?
I am just feeling how I was just planning to lie down for an hour because the evening is busy, and I said, see, I was called into this. I'm feeling tired.
टायर्ड, बट एग्जॉशन इमोशन है, टायर्ड बॉडी फील करती है, हमारा शरीर फील करता है, our body feels tired, but our mind tiredness is different. Tiredness is not an emotion, it's a way, it's a thought. That is what
Yes.
is, there is a difference between thought क्या है, emotion क्या है। अगर हमें यही नहीं पता emotion क्या है तो हम negative और positive तो बहुत दूर की बात हो गई। So जब दिव्या रही है आई एम फीलिंग टायर्ड, इसका मतलब उनका बदन, उनकी बॉडी ऐसे महसूस करी कि उसको रेस्ट की जरूरत है। पर हम रेस्ट करते करते भी इमोशंस फील कर सकते हैं। तो दिव्या जी, बीना जी, क्या लगता है आपको इमोशंस क्या हैं? ज्योति राजस्थान से जो हैं, आपको क्या लगता है इमोशंस क्या है? इंदुजा, क्या लगता है इमोशंस क्या हैं? एनीबडी, समबडी?
हम
What
जो
are-
सोचते हैं उसको अधिक बल देते हैं कि जैसे किसी के प्रति मुझे दया आ रही है तो मैं उसको बहुत ज्यादा इसमें इनगल्फ हो जाऊंगी और वो मेरा इमोशन बढ़ जाएगा।
Daya means sympathy. Sympathy is a feeling. Tiredness is not a feeling. Tiredness is what my body is feeling. Tiredness is not an emotion. So emotions में भी feeling होती है जो मेरी body महसूस करती है और कुछ मेरी emotional body या मेरा mind महसूस करता है. So let's get into our PowerPoints over here ताकि आपके पास थोड़ी सी knowledge आ जाएगी, फिर वापस मुड़ के यहीं पे आएंगे. ठीक है? क्लियर है क्या? ये इधर दिखाई दे रहा है क्लियरली कि नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है? कैन यू सी क्लियरली और यू कैन नॉट सी क्लियरली? ओके, वंडरफुल,
Yes, we can see.
परफेक्ट। इमोशन का मतलब है मुझे महसूस क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट एम आई फीलिंग। और मुझे महसूस हो सकता है खुशी, सैडनेस, उदासी, फियर, भय। डिस्गस्ट का मतलब घिन आना किसी चीज से, एंगर का मतलब गुस्सा आना, और सरप्राइज का मतलब हैरान हो जाना। आप देखेंगे कि हर बॉडी लैंग्वेज यहाँ जो कार्टून की बनाई है वो अलग बना, तो हमारी जो इमोशन और हमारी बॉडी जो है एक है, अलग नहीं है। अगर हम गुस्सा महसूस कर रहे हैं तो हम खुशी नहीं जाहिर कर सकते, हमारी बॉडी उस टाइम खुशी वाली जगह पे नहीं होगी। और अगर हम खुशी महसूस कर रहे हैं तो हमारी बॉडी सैडनेस की जगह पे नहीं होगी। चलो देखते हैं, इस पे करके देखें क्या? लेट्स सी। दिव्या, यू विल हेल्प मी आउट? Anya, will you help me out, both of you? So Anya, you
Yes.
are going to pretend that you are sad, but you are going to
Okay.
talk with laughter. आपको हंस के आप sad हो, that means you are going to laugh but explain to me that you are sad. And Divya, just the opposite. You are actually going to be feeling happy, but you're going to talk about happiness in a sad way. So Anya, can you do that for me, please? You're expressing your sadness, but you're going to laugh and tell me.
You know, actually, I'm very, very frustrated. And I pretend to be happy, but I'm not. And it's just the whole situation at the moment is so bizarre. And yeah.
Very good. How are you feel when you're something that is sad but in a happy way? How are you feeling about that?
I feel frustrated.
Very good. Because it's not matching with your body language.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
people saw her. जिन लोगों ने इनको देखा हंसते हुए, क्या ये sad लग रही थी? शाबाश. Now Anya, say the sad thing in a sad way. अब आप sad चीज को sad तरीके से बताएंगी. Can you do that for me?
Yeah, I feel really depressed at the moment because we can't see our families. We've been more or less 1.5 years, over a year now in lockdown. And it's sad because, well, for me, where it really hurts me is that I haven't seen my family since nearly a year. They live in London, I live in Munich, and it's really awful.
Thank you so much. सबने इनकी शक्ल देखी, इन्होंने सैडनेस जाहिर करी कि लॉकअप है यूके में, 1 साल से चल रहा है, 1 साल से इन्होंने किसी को मिली नहीं है, अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स को मिली नहीं है. नाउ सैडनेस और इनकी शक्ल एक साथ सिंक करी. हर सैडनेस एंड हर बॉडी लैंग्वेज वाज इन सिंक विद ईच अदर. दिव्या, आप करने वाली थी मेरे लिए. आपको खुशी है, यू आर हैप्पी, बट यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक इन अ सैड वे अबाउट योर हैप्पीनेस. एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ योर बॉडी हैज टू बी सैड, बट एक्चुअली जो आप फील कर रही हैं वो है हैप्पीनेस. कैसे करेंगी? थैंक यू दिव्या. एंड अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ प्लीज.
Actually, I'm sad, but I need to say happy things.
Yes, you have to say with happiness. हंस के बोलना है.
Actually, you know what? This is just everything I have. I've been not deserving, but I have so much. God has given me so much, which I'm undeserving of. And things are really nice and much better than the others, you know. I've been blessed. People don't even have how much I have.
Okay, दिव्या, कैसा लग रहा है जब आप सैड बात कर रही हैं बट खुशी लाने की कोशिश कर रही हैं शक्ल पे?
एक फसाड लग रहा है.
फसाड लग रहा है ना? बहुत अच्छे. अब मुझे जब लोग ये कहते हैं कि हमारी बॉडी के साथ इमोशंस का क्या करना देना है, बिफोर वी फील एन इमोशन, हमारी बॉडी महसूस करती है उसको. हर चीज हमारी बॉडी के थ्रू जाती है. Whatever we are feeling goes through our body. अगर हम सैड फील कर रहे हैं, our body cannot deny it. तो 2 मिनट के लिए अगर हम हंस देते हैं सारे के सारे, तो कैसा महसूस करेंगे? हंसेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ नेगेटिव थिंग्स. और जब हम सैड फील करते हैं तो आवर बॉडी कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ हैप्पी थिंग्स. व्हेन वी आर फीलिंग सैड, आवर बॉडी कैन ओनली एक्सप्रेस विद सैडनेस. एंड साइंटिस्ट हैव स्टडीड दिस एंड कम अप विद वेरियस बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस. अब आपको मैं कुछ स्लाइड्स दिखाऊंगी एंड आपने वो स्लाइड्स देख के मुझे ये बताना है कि आदमी खुश है, कौन सी इमोशन फील कर रहा है. ठीक है? रेडी ऑल ऑफ यू? यार भाई लोग, क्या विंडोज ओपन कर सकते हैं? मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मैं ना बंद दरवाजों से बातें कर रही हूँ. I am actually feeling as if I'm talking to people with closed windows and as if my world has got closed. I would really request you guys to open the windows if it is possible. Rakesh, Wonder, Shushma, Hemal, Suman, Shubhangi, Nikita.
I think if you don't mind, people are sleeping, then they will open their windows.
अच्छा ठीक जी. अच्छा, बुक बहुत शुक्रिया. चलिए आगे चलते हैं.
Much nicer to see the faces.
Yes, to see the faces. You know, otherwise it feels like I'm talking to myself. Okay, what's this first window saying? ये पहली इमोशन, ये पहला पिगी कौन सी इमोशन दिखा रहा है, दूसरा पिगी कौन सी इमोशन, प्रोक्यूपाइन कौन सी इमोशन दिखा रहा है. पहला वाला प्रोक्यूपाइन कौन सी इमोशन दिखा रहा है, दूसरा वाला प्रोक्यूपाइन कौन सी इमोशन दिखा रहा है. What is an emotion being shown by the first porcupine and what's an emotion being shown by the second porcupine? Who would like to answer?
Happy.
Happy
and surprised.
Happy and surprised. Okay. Which one is surprised, Beena ji?
Back one.
The one on the right side or one on the left side?
Right side.
right side is showing surprise and left side is showing
happiness or
okay.
maybe
Happiness. Okay, let's go with other people. Divya, what do you see here?
yeah.
What is this picture showing? Which emotion?
Happy, happy.
Very good. All of you on the same page? Happy? All
Yes,
of you?
ma'am.
Pakka?
Joy. Yes,
Pakka?
lot of joy, happiness.
Yes.
Your expression speaks, and what you show by your expression shows your emotion. And then we ask, what is the connection between physiology and emotion? हमारा जब चेहरा खिलता है तो दिखाई देता है कि हम अंदर महसूस क्या कर रहे हैं, और फिर हम लोगों से जाके पूछते हैं कि अच्छा तूने गैस कैसे किया कि मैं क्या फील कर रही हूँ. So all of us on the same page?
Yes.
Very good. Child feeling. क्या महसूस करते?
Sad.
Very good. Shabash. So opposite of happiness is?
Sadness.
शाबाश. कभी भी एक इमोशन एक टाइम पे एक साथ नहीं आती है, डबल होती है. अगर हम सैड फील कर रहे हैं तो हम हैप्पी भी फील कर रहे हैं. इफ वी आर फीलिंग हैप्पी वी आर आल्सो फीलिंग, वी कैन आल्सो गो टू द अदर साइड ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम व्हिच इज सैडनेस. ये दोनों स्पेक्ट्रम है. दिन है तो रात है, खुशी है तो उदासी है. अगर हमेशा हम बी पॉजिटिव रहेंगे तो चलेगा क्या? एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है. ये शेड्स हैं भैया, कलर्स के शेड्स जिसको बोलते हैं. एक साइड पे सैडनेस है तो दूसरी साइड पे खुशी है. आगे देखते हैं ये क्या महसूस कर रहा है बच्चा और ये आदमी.
Surprised.
वेरी गुड. सरप्राइज के अलावा और क्या हो सकता है?
Shocked.
शॉक महसूस कर रहे हैं. ये किसी चीज को देख के भयभीत हो गए हैं, किसी चीज को देख के फियरफुल हैं. आंखें देखिए, दोनों की आंखें बड़ी हो गई हैं. Eyes have become big. If the eyes are big like this, we know the person is fearful. फिर से देखते हैं. पहली पिक्चर क्या थी?
Happiness.
चेहरे पे माउथ खुला हुआ है. The face is open. The eyes are slightly small. Eyes बड़ी नहीं है. सेकंड में क्या है? एकदम जैसे बहुत गिटार में, बहुत सैडनेस में. और तीसरा क्या है?
Shocking.
आंखें. आप फिजियोलॉजी देखें, हर जगह शरीर का देखें. आंखें और बॉडी उसको महसूस करें कैसे अलग अलग है. ये क्या होगा?
Angry.
Irritated.
Hate.
What else?
Disgusted.
Very good. Disgusted. Whenever we are disgusted, we wrinkle our nose. Whenever we are disgusted, we wrinkle our nose. हिंदी में disgust का मतलब घिना आना. किसी चीज से घिन जब आती है तो जैसे कि बदबू आ रही है कोई खराब सी, ऐसे हम नाक को सकोड़ लेते हैं. ठीक है. पहले वाला क्या था? खुशी होती है तो माउथ को, चेहरे को, हम अपने लिप्स को खोल लेते हैं. दूसरे में कोई रिएक्शन ही नहीं है. जैसे यहाँ पे आंखें बड़ी करते हैं और यहाँ पे नाक को सकोड़ लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट वाले में ये क्या है?
Angry.
गुस्सा. एंग्री. क्यों है ये गुस्सा? देख के
Furious.
ये इंसान गुस्सा है. We can look at this person and figure out this person is mad with something, is angry about something. Very good. और ये क्या है? What is
Surprised.
very good? Surprise. कई बार सरप्राइज लोग ऐसे भी करते हैं. आप What is that? I'm surprised. और हम कहते हैं कि इमोशंस हमारी बॉडी के साथ जुड़ी नहीं है. We really need to think, are our emotions connected with our body? Yes or no? What do you?
Yes.
Yes. And what is interesting? Our body language changes. हमारी बॉडी की जो भाषा है वो बदल जाती है. फिर से देखेंगे एक बार. ये क्या है?
Happy.
Happy.
ये क्या है? उदासी।
Sad.
उदासी.
ये क्या है?
सरप्राइज्ड. और
ये क्या है?
घृणा.
Disgusting.
वेरी गुड। ये क्या है? गुस्सा
Angry.
एंग्री.
है? हैरान।
एंगर. हैरान.
मैं हैरान हूं, तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूं मैं, वो वाली हैरानगी। ओके, और हैरानगी अच्छी हो सकती है या खराब हो सकती है। सरप्राइज
दोनों.
कैन सरप्राइज और अ बैड सरप्राइज। गुड सरप्राइज का मतलब मेरा हस्बैंड ने आए और मेरे लिए फ्लावर्स लेके आए। माय हस्बैंड केम विद अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स फॉर मी, आई एम सरप्राइज्ड। सच्ची? दैट्स मेरी मदर इन लॉ आ गई मेरे साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने। और बैड सरप्राइज कैन बी मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ ने आके उस दिन मुझे कुछ ऐसा कह दिया जो मैंने महसूस ही नहीं किया था कभी। कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? Bad surprises can be, how can be a bad surprise? Give me a bad surprise. Surprise which is bad.
Surprise test.
Very good. Surprise test can be a bad surprise. Very good. Who was that?
किसी
भव्या.
एक्सीडेंट की न्यूज.
Very good. Or so now we have basic emotions, and these basic emotions are, can you see on this chart? I'm going to make it a little bigger. One minute. Okay, can you now see bigger?
या.
So we have
Yes,
basic
yes.
8 basic emotions, and अंदर की तरफ डार्क कलर्स हैं, बाहर की तरफ लाइट कलर्स हैं। अंदर की तरफ डार्क कलर्स हैं, बाहर की तरफ लाइट कलर्स हैं। मतलब हम जब बाहर से अंदर आते हैं तो और महसूस करते हैं। अगर सिर्फ डर है तो थोड़ा कम है। टेरर का मतलब हुआ बहुत ज्यादा डर। तो हर इमोशन का ज्यादा है और कम है। जैसे एस्टेसी बहुत ज्यादा हुई मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा खुशी, और अगर हम जॉय को देखते हैं तो वो थोड़ा सा कम है। ठीक है, ये समझ में आ गया चार्ट? ये चार्ट आपके पहुंच जाएगा एट द एंड ऑफ द क्लास। सो वी गोना स्टॉप शेयरिंग राइट नाउ, एंड आई वांटेड टू look at so I'm going to now do something which is very very interesting. क्या आपने कभी ये महसूस किया है कि कलर्स की वजह से हमारी something is going wrong with okay, escape. Okay, let's go to the next understanding. Have you ever thought कलर्स और इमोशंस साथ में कनेक्टेड है? कभी आपने ऐसे
Yes, yes.
कनेक्टेड है? तो आप सब लोग बहुत स्मार्ट हो। मैं यहाँ पे आपको 4 कलर्स दिखाऊंगी। कितने कलर्स दिखाऊंगी? 4 कलर्स।
4.
आपने उसके लिए इमोशन लिखनी है। ये कलर देखिए, लुक एट दिस कलर एंड राइट द इमोशन। क्या इमोशन आ रही है जब आप ये कलर देखते हो? फटाफट क्या महसूस हो रही है जब आप ये कलर देख रहे हो?
सैडनेस.
वेरी गुड। हु सेड दैट?
इंदुजा.
Very good, Induja. This is the color of sadness, color of night, but this is also the color of calmness, color of
Yeah.
connection.
Color of peace.
Okay. What else? I am green with
Joy. Happy. Peace.
green with growth, green with nurturing. But what is this green
Healing.
color? Healing. Yes. What else?
Envy.
This
Prosperity.
green, prosperity, abundance. What else? Jealousy. I'm green with jealousy, green with envy.
Yeah, I said envy.
Very good. कलर के 2 हिस्से, अच्छा और खराब। हर इमोशन के साथ 2 इमोशंस, अच्छी और खराब हर चीज के साथ वी कैन हैव 2 poles. वेरी गुड गाइस. ये क्या कलर है?
Joy
Happy.
and happiness.
Anger.
Happiness.
Oh, Anu is stuck again.
Heat, anger.
Gone.
I can still see her at the meeting.
You're back to be our host. That's good.
No, I think Anu's still there because she hasn't been thrown out. She's showing on the participants list.
Yeah, because, but it's black. Yeah, we don't see her.
Oh, yes, now. I do not know how this is happening. Okay, we'll just finish up the conversation we had earlier. Yes, I think it's Anu again. Yes, Anu, don't worry, we are managing. You come as convenient. Yeah, come. Hello? Yeah, it's inevitable. What will you do? Yes, we are managing. Yeah. So the thing is, we had this lecture on Gmail today. So the thing is, there are such lucrative topics, and then we keep attending, and the next repeat lecture comes after 2 weeks. So in my feedback today, after that 12:15 webinar with Mr. Raju Ganda, what I've written is that it's because there's so much of education and so much of learning coming, we do not get the time to process what we've already learned, and we are learning something new. So rather than having a gap of 2 weeks, put it in the same week. Sometimes it will be such that, okay, my commitments are different and I'm not able to attend in the same week also. So try to have the repeat lectures in the same week so that we can brush up the skills and then further update new skills. No point just getting knowledge and not being able to use it, because we are not exposed to the Gmail kind of thing which we learned today. Right? In our day-to-day activities, we are not exposed. So rather than learning something new, it's better to refurbish what we've already learned. So that's the suggestion I have put,
I'm so sorry about this. Can't be helped. Internet.
Are you frustrated or
Not
happy?
I'm in gratitude to all of you that still continuing. So let's do something. I want to take one person as a demonstration who can work with me. I haven't completed the color. Sorry, guys. The orange color.
Orange.
Anger.
Anger.
Frustration. Annoyance. Very good. And the yellow color, the bright yellow color is about hope.
Happiness.
Happiness. Very good, Nika. I want one person to work with me and I will show you how we can work and clean it up. One person to work with me. Who is ready to work with me? Very good, Divya. Thank you. एक सिचुएशन लीजिए जिसमें आपको कुछ तो महसूस हो रहा है. कौन सी सिचुएशन लेंगी? Take a situation in which you're feeling something.
Okay.
ले ली?
ले ली.
आप वो सिचुएशन के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएंगी?
At times I feel I'm not respected enough.
Okay. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मेरे लोग रिस्पेक्ट नहीं इतना करते. ठीक है? अब आपने क्या करना है? ये कलर्स दिखाऊंगी मैं आपको. आई विल शो यू दीज कलर्स और आपने कलर्स को रिजेक्ट करना है और सेलेक्ट करना है. ये कर सकते हैं आप?
Whatever touches, right?
इस चीज को देख के कि मुझे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलता. When you look at this thing and you feel कि you are not being respected, जब तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हें रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलता, तो कौन से कलर को चुनेंगी आप? एक ही कलर को चुनना है.
ब्लू.
आशा पे मत जाइए, सिर्फ कलर को देख के देखिए. कौन सा वाला कलर? ब्लू. सब लोग लिख लीजिए. इन्होंने चूज किया ब्लू कलर. शी हैज चोजन द ब्लू. कौन से कलर को रिजेक्ट करेंगी आप?
This orange.
ऑरेंज को मैं रिजेक्ट कर दूंगी. Now all of you write blue and red together means I want to integrate. What does blue and green red together means? I want to connect. मैं ऐसे कनेक्ट करना चाहती हूँ, ऐसा प्यार महसूस करना चाहती हूँ जो इश्क वाला लव हो, हर चीज के साथ. रेड एंड ब्लू टुगेदर, मैं इश्क वाला प्यार महसूस करना चाहती हूँ. पर मेरी वो जगह तब गिर जाती है जब मुझे कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता. तो देखते हैं इनकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है. तो इनकी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इन्होंने चूज किया ब्लू कलर और गिव अप किया रेड कलर. जब ये रेड कलर गिव अप कर देती हैं तो ये पावरलेस फील करती हैं. इनको ऐसा लगता है कि इनकी जिंदगी में कोई पावर ही नहीं रह गई है, कुछ है ही नहीं अभी, और सब कुछ इनको टॉलरेट करना पड़ रहा है. That she has to tolerate so much and she does not have the vitality to tolerate so much. इनको ऐसा लगता है कि ये पावरलेस हो गई, इनकी सारी किसी ने पावर उठा के ले गया. क्या ऐसा लगता है आपको?
At times. At times. With the external world, it doesn't happen.
कभी कभी होता है, और उसके साथ गुस्सा भी आएगा.
More than gussa is hapless and helpless.
गुड. तो वही पावरलेसनेस, हेल्पलेस आ जाएगी, और अंदर ही अंदर आप स्ट्रगल करेंगी कि आपको पीसफुल और रेस्टफुल कंडीशन चाहिए.
Definitely.
नया ब्लू कलर है. शी वांट्स द ब्लू कलर विच इज ऑल अबाउट रेस्ट एंड पीस. और इनको मिल क्या रहा है? उदासी, जिससे ये पावरलेस फील कर रही हैं. कभी कभार गुस्सा आ रहा है. वेरी गुड. So is it fitting into your situation? Next कौन try? चलिए जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट. The color game. Next कौन try करेगा? कोई situation, आप मुझे situation बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to tell me the situation. Think of the situation in the head and we will select the colors. Who will go in next? Who will try to work? Okay, Anya. You have the situation in your head?
Yes.
And yes. Pick up one color. Choose a color.
Yellow.
Wonderful. So write down plus yellow and you're going to remove a color. So अभी 3 colors रह गए ना सिर्फ. Remove a color.
Remove, you mean a color I don't like?
Reject a color.
Okay. The first one.
The blue.
Yeah.
Okay. So इन्होंने choose किया yellow color और reject किया blue color. So the blue and yellow together means I have to tolerate things. The situation is she has to tolerate something.
Yes.
इनको बर्दाश्त करनी पड़ती है. अब इन्होंने किया येलो कलर, इन्होंने होप पिकअप करी, और गिव अप इन्होंने ब्लू कलर दिया, तो इन्होंने डिप्रेशन को साइड पे कर दिया. शी हैज गिवन अप डिप्रेशन एंड शी हैज हेल्ड ऑन टू होप, एंड शी इज होपफुल कि ये चीज जो ये टॉलरेट कर रही है खत्म होगी. दैट मीन्स शी इज सेइंग टू हरसेल्फ दैट एट सम पॉइंट आई डोंट हैव टू टॉलरेट एनीमोर. आई हैव अ होप दैट थिंग्स विल गो माय वे. दैट इज व्हाट शी इज सेइंग. वेरी गुड. Anybody else wants to try? Guys,
I
हमारे पास
want to try.
Suman, yes. You have a situation in your head?
Yes.
Wonderful. Choose कीजिए. Which color?
Yellow.
Very good. Which color do you reject?
Second number.
Green.
Yes, this one. Yes.
So green and yellow together means entitlement. Means मेरा हक है ये. मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है. मुझे ये लगता है ये मेरी entitlement है. This is my entitlement. This is by birth my right.
Okay.
सुमन हंस रही हैं. फिट होता है?
नहीं, करेक्ट है.
इन्होंने होप को पिकअप किया है और अपने अहम को ठुकरा दिया है कि अगर मैं अपने ईगो को साइड पे कर दिया है. द कलर ऑफ ईगो. शी हैज लेट गो ऑफ द ईगो and she's sitting with hope and saying, I will get what I want. मुझे वो मिलेगा जो मुझे चाहिए. मुझे अपने अहम को एक साइड पे रखना है. Very good, Suman. I
Wow.
hope.
Thank
I
you.
also
Thank you,
want to
ma'am.
try.
Very good, Jyoti. Okay, perfect. Colors. Which color do you want to accept? Which color is
This one, orange.
very good? So plus orange likhe.
And
Rejection,
first one, blue.
blue. So orange she is accepting, blue she is rejecting. The red and blue together is ishq wala love. The love of the divine kind. The red and blue together is love of the divine kind. She is holding on to anger. She gets angry very easily and she's letting go of her depression because she's not getting what she wants. Jyoti, is it resonating with you?
Yes.
Shabash.
Right.
Shabash. किसी और को try करना है? Anybody else wants to try? Guys, this is an opportunity. ये बार बार नहीं होता है कि we
I
pick up.
want to try. Yes, I want to try.
Wonderful. Usha, you have a situation in your head? Can I see your face, Usha? क्या मैं आपकी शक्ल देख सकती हूँ? प्यारी सी. शुक्रिया, पर दिख नहीं रही है मुझे. हाँ उषा जी, शाबाश. उषा बताइए कौन चूज कर रहे हैं आप?
मैं येलो चूज कर रही हूँ और ग्रीन डिस्कार्ड कर रही हूँ.
तो येलो ये
ब्लू डिस्कार्ड कर रही हूँ. येलो चूज कर रही हूँ और ब्लू डिस्कार्ड कर रही हूँ.
वेरी गुड. सो येलो एंड ब्लू टुगेदर इज टॉलरेंस. मैं किसी चीज को सहन करती चली जा रही हूँ. अब यहाँ पे शी इज एक्सेप्टिंग द येलो एंड रिजेक्टिंग द ब्लू. मतलब होप को ये एक्सेप्ट कर रही हैं और ये डिप्रेशन को रिजेक्ट कर रही हैं. ये पाके ही रहेंगी जो इनको चाहिए. अभी टॉलरेट कर रही हैं, काफी नॉनसेंस टॉलरेट कर रही हैं, काफी कुछ इनको टॉलरेट करना पड़ता है, बट शी इज एडर्मेंट दैट शी इज होपफुल दैट शी विल गेट व्हाट शी वांट्स. फिट होता है उषा?
Totally right. Totally right.
थैंक यू जी.
Thank you.
कोई और ट्राई करेगा?
Yes, Shubhangi.
Shubhangi, brilliant. I love the way you guys are coming ahead. Very good. Shubhangi, बताइए कौन सा कलर चूज करेंगे?
Orange.
ओके, और कौन सा कलर रिजेक्ट करेंगे आप?
Blue.
Blue. So orange and blue together, guys, is ishq wala love. The love of a divine kind. इनको बहुत सारा प्यार चाहिए और इनको लगता है कि she gives people a lot of love. पर इनको वो वापस मिलता नहीं है. She is not getting back the kind of love she is giving to people. जिस तरीके से ये शिद्दत से प्यार करती हैं लोगों को, उस तरीके से इनको लगता नहीं है कि लोग वैसे लौटा रहे हैं इनको वैसा प्यार. They are not giving her back and reciprocating in the same wavelength. She is accepting red color, which means she is accepting, I will not give up. I will keep continuously take an action. But गुस्सा है, irritation है. And sometimes this gussa, irritation can also show in the form of powerless. Tears of anger. कि यार, I did so much, तब भी इन लोग को समझ में नहीं आया. And she is giving away the depression. She is giving away the connect. कई बार ये रिश्ते तोड़ लेती हैं. Sometimes she breaks up the relationships because no matter how much she has tried, they haven't reached where they should reach. Shubhangi, does that fit into your story?
Absolutely 101%.
Thank you so much. Who is the next? Who is me?
Jyoti. Jyoti.
चीज है window open करने. तो no.
But there'll be a glare because I'm not in town. I'll open it, but the glare will come. Just check it out.
देख लूंगी. आप worry क्यों कर रहे हो? Okay, guys. कौन सा color?
Can you see?
Yes, I can see you. What color?
Orange I choose and green I reject.
Okay, so green and orange together is responsibility. बहुत सारा अपने गधे की तरह अपने सिर पे ले लेना. Because मुझे शांति चाहिए लोगों से, हार्मनी चाहिए. तो मैं बहुत सारा गधे की तरह अपने ऊपर ले रही हूँ. टेकिंग टू मच ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लाइक अ डोंकी. Constantly bearing too much on your shoulders. कौन सा कलर एक्सेप्ट कर रही थी आप?
Accepting orange
और इस वजह से
and
गुस्सा
giving up.
कि लोग कुछ नहीं करते. I am the only responsible person. Nobody else is doing anything. I have to do everything. मैं सुबह उठ के खाना भी बनाती हूँ, मैं लोगों को देखती भी हूँ, मैं ये भी करती हूँ, मैं वो भी करती हूँ. लोगों को थोड़ी थोड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी चाहिए ना, और ले नहीं रहे हैं, इसलिए मैं नाराज हूँ. Got it? गिव अप. क्या एनवी गिव अप कर रही है कि अगर मैं अपना ईगो गिव अप करती हूँ, शायद इसमें से कुछ ना कुछ तो निकल आएगा. शुक्रिया. कि डिड इट फिट इनटू योर सिचुएशन?
Yes, ma'am. Perfect.
क्यों? चलिए अभी कोई और? एनीबडी एल्स?
Yes, madam, I'm Rani.
रानी चेहरा दिखाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आप रानी हैं कि नहीं पता कैसे लगेगा.
नहीं, मेरी कैमरा एक्चुअली बराबर फंक्शनल नहीं है, so I cannot put it on. I'm so sorry.
रानी बहुत सुंदर है, इनको दिखाई नहीं देना है, किसी को नहीं दिखाना है इन्होंने अपना. कोई बात नहीं रानी, I shall not feel frustrated. चलिए बताइए कौन सा कलर? Which color are you going to choose?
Yellow.
Very good. कौन सा रिजेक्ट करेंगी?
Orange.
शाबाश. रानी, yellow and orange together is McDonald color. Color of success. येलो और रेड कलर मैकडोनल्ड कलर की तरह हैं, बिल्कुल.
Wow.
हाँ जी, इनको चाहिए सक्सेस, अभी तक मिली नहीं है. She hasn't got the success that she wants. So उदास बैठी हैं और कभी कभी पावरलेस फील करती हैं और कभी कभी एंग्री फील करती हैं. Sometimes she is feeling angry, sad because she hasn't got that success that she wanted, but she is hopeful that she will get it. Rani, does it fit into your situation?
Sort of.
Sort of. Success in work or success in outside relationship?
Success in work.
Very good. इसलिए इन्होंने येलो और रेड चूज किया, because it is all about.
Anuji,
हाँ जी.
my mom-in-law is there with me. She want to try this.
पक्का?
Can you
Light?
help, please? I will open the. I will. I don't know. We are sitting opposite, you know, to the light, so you cannot.
कोई बात नहीं, आप इसमें से सिर्फ रंग चुने, एक रंग चुने. कौन सा रंग?
ग्रीन हाँ है कि ना है?
हाँ है.
और ना कौन सा है?
Yellow.
She is saying येलो के लिए ना और ग्रीन के लिए हाँ. Video has stopped.
Yeah, I think it stopped again.
No, she's been just frozen. She said. Yeah, no, we can see you. You're frozen. I think you'll be back early.
Divya ji, again you have become the host.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Come. Yeah. It's really nice, you know. But the thing is now, so many what they have put up is like, you know, overlapping हो रही है आजकल. Workshops increase कर दिए है ना Get Set Up ने. तो अभी एक feedback ऐसे आया है कि people are attending classes just for half an hour, not to miss anything.
I know.
Divya ji, this will be like yellow is for hope and green is for ahem.
Green is for jealousy and envy, she said.
Yeah, ahem, ego, whatever. So auntie ji
Let
ka
her,
yahi
let
hoga
her
na,
say,
so she
let her give
hoping.
take whatever she is.
Yeah, I'm just trying it.
I'm not that really good at all this, you know. In fact, for me to memorize it, you know. Even if you teach me too much of this, I cannot understand it. Because I feel it is situational, it's mood, change, everything, you know.
Hmm.
Anybody else for sharing?
Anayaji, you were saying that you can share a link of your face yoga.
Yes, if you're interested, it's at 3 o'clock on Sundays in the afternoon,
Yeah.
your time, 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
And I do face
And
yoga for half an hour on Zoom.
so how do we join in? Do you send a link or we
So
join you through Facebook?
I will send the link to Anu if she agrees when she comes back.
Okay.
And then you
Oh.
can I will send then her the link. And once you're connected with me, then you can also give me your email address. Or wait, I will give my email address now in the chat. And
Okay.
then you send me your email so I can hook you on to my link, because I have people coming from the whole world.
You must be on Facebook or Instagram, right?
I am on Facebook.
Okay.
So you can
send me your email. Send me your email.
I'm sending you an email now.
Okay, ma'am.
And don't get confused. I have many emails. Sometimes I write out of that or that, but I'm giving you now one of them. Huh? Okay. You should have it now. So if you're interested, it's every Sunday at 3 o'clock your time. Then you just send me a regular email, not on the chat box now.
Yes,
because
yeah. I'll get in touch with you.
Yeah, and
I've
then
copied it down.
Super. And feel free to share it with others if you think you're interested. Please, no makeup in the face, no makeup in the face, because we're going to be doing exercises with the face.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm Jyoti Kapoor.
Okay, nice.
That sounds very interesting. No makeup.
It's fun.
Yes.
It's fun.
Yeah.
I started it last year and it's a growing community.
See what leads to what. What do we plan and what do we receive and what do we, you know?
Yeah, it's so nice. And it's nice to share.
Thank you. I seem to be jumping.
Back.
I seem to be jumping in and out, and that's okay. It looks like
okay.
it's going to be. I should be selecting colors now. Okay, we have last 5 minutes. So
I can't see you.
You can't see me. Okay, we have last 5 minutes, and we can do one more person with the
But
colors.
you didn't tell me, you didn't give me the answer for my mother-in-law. She chose those colors, no?
Okay,
I couldn't hear you. I couldn't hear you.
तो उनको ऐसे लगता है कि उनका हक है कोई चीज मिलने के लिए, पर उनको वो चीज मिल नहीं रही है और अब वो बिल्कुल अपनी आशा छोड़ बैठी हैं कि उनको वो मिलेगा जो उनको लगता है कि उनका जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है. She has not got what she thinks that she should be getting, and she has lost hope completely of getting it. Does that fit in for her?
ऐसा है मम्मी. ऐसा आपको लगता है कि आपको जो मिलना चाहिए था आपको नहीं मिला और अभी आपकी उसको इच्छा, मतलब आपको उसकी आशा नहीं रही आपको. Yes, she is saying correct.
Perfect. You can do one more person, and then I have to. One more person. Who would like to go with the color selection? Anybody else? Okay. I presume tick tick 1, tick tick 2. Anybody else? Tick tick 3. Anybody else? No? Nobody wants to dare to see what the colors mean? Okay. So last, yes.
One is me.
What is me? Seema? Okay, I'm going to show you the colors. You can write down in the chat box if you're not able to open it. Which color do you want? Which color do you select? Seema? There are 4 colors. Which color do you select? Red you select. Which color do you give up? Which color do you give up? There is no brown. Which color do you give up? Guys, 2 minutes leke just fill up the form. I will be giving you I will also be sending in your notes the feedback form. Just for 2 minutes, get into the feedback, and if you can send me.
Anuji, I can't see the colors. So what are the other colors which I have to give up?
The colors are blue, green, orange, yellow. You picked up the red. Which color do you want to give up?
Okay, it is what? Yellow, orange, blue, green, right? So I
Yes.
guess I'll give up blue.
You'll give up blue. So again, what you want is ishq wala love. What you want is to integrate with people. What you want is to integrate with this person. What you're wanting was the love of a divine kind, but when you haven't got it, you have given up the connection and you have kept the anger and the anxiety and the irritation. That is what it means. Does that
Bang on.
Thank you.
you always are on bang on.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
I'm going to send you guys the feedback link. It is there in the notes. And Divya, can you see your feedback link into your site?
No.
Okay, give me a minute. I'm sending you guys the feedback link. It's becoming very difficult because of my network being the way it is. So you will have to bear with me for a minute. Okay, I'm not able to go back to where we began. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you the feedback link in the notes. And can you please go and put the feedback, or can you right now put the feedback in the chat so we at least have it in the chat? Can you do that, March?
Feedback of your session.
Yes, feedback of this session. How did you find it? With all the breakages that we had, did you enjoy it? Did the emotions make any sense to you? Were you able to pick up stuff? Did you connect with anything? If yes, what did you connect with? Okay. Last bit before we go, I want you all to know that you can join the virtual platform Get Set Up. It's there on the Facebook. It's there, and I will again send you the link of that Facebook, and you can connect with it, and you can go and even write on that platform how you felt about this program. And also do join other workshops. My next program is going to Divya is a beautiful speaker on Get Set Up. Divya, could you tell people what you do on Get Set Up so that people can join your classes too? My next session is going to be on the 15th at about 4 o'clock, and that's going to be in English completely. Next session जो हमारा होगा वो होगा 15 तारीख को. दिव्या जो यहाँ हैं वो भी यहाँ के स्पीकर हैं. दिव्या, अगर आप बता सकते हैं लोगों को कि आप क्या करते हैं.
Okay, at in the mornings around Monday and Wednesday, 9:30 a.m. I do yoga, but it's not just an asana class. I do more of the anatomy part, and many of the yoga teachers also attend the senior ones because see, everybody's from a different background. They are not necessarily from the science background. So वो लोग करते आ रहे हैं, but you should know how to get the benefits. So I just explain two muscles with the origin insertion, and then I show a little bit of stretches or asana to use those muscles. Because I believe that what the mind knows, the eye sees. If the mind doesn't know, the eye doesn't see that thing. So just educate things, and they enjoy it. I mean, I keep repeating so that they are layman level, that you should understand what a muscle means. And then a little bit of masti mazak along with it. So Touchwood is going good.
Attend करिएगा दिव्या की. Do attend Divya's program, which happens in the morning. And my session is going to be on the 15th of this month. And the next session is going to be on the 19th. 19th, we are doing about loss and how to deal with the loss. And I actually don't remember what I'm doing on the 15th. It's a new topic. And it's going to be, again, something very beautiful, something different. So do tune in on the 15th as well as 19th, and for Divya's topics in the morning. There are many other speakers. बहुत
Thank
सारे
you,
और
Anu.
speakers.
Anu,
Yes.
Anu, while you were gone, I mentioned that I do a face yoga class every Sunday morning. Well, for you in the afternoon at 3 o'clock every Sunday. And
I will send it across.
And I will send you the link.
Yes, that would be brilliant. So to everybody, we have to keep with the time because otherwise there's a delay for the next class. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत मेहरबानी. I am really apologetic about the breakages today. In gratitude to Divya for holding the whole session. Thank you Anya for being there. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब दोस्त इकट्ठे मिलके गपशप करते हैं और कुछ सीख भी लेते हैं. बहुत 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 शुक्रिया. प्लीज अपने फीडबैक्स में कंजूसी मत कीजिए. आप फीडबैक डालेंगे तो हमारे को अच्छा लगेगा कि बहुत अच्छा है. I was not able to put the link here today because of all the disturbance that is going on. My laptop is refusing to go on the link. तो मैं उस लिंक को PowerPoints के साथ आपको भेजूंगी. I will be sending you the PowerPoints और वो लिंक आपके पास पहुंच जाएगा. पहले की PowerPoints पहुंची हैं सबको कि नहीं? Has everybody got the before PowerPoints which I've been sending every time?
No, ma'am. No.
No?
We've never got any notes from your side, and we've not even got your, where we respond feedback. We've never got that also.
How come?
I don't know. After your session gets over, it just gets wiped off. There's no end session coming after your session. In others, we get end session. Even in Divya ma'am also the same thing happens. After we finish her session, we don't get that end session. So now I have saved her feedback link only. So every time I go to the link and I just answer it.
Oh, I didn't know
Don't
this.
get for both of you.
Gratitude that you've told me about this. I will just make sure it reaches you. Could you do me a favor? You get it?
Yeah.
Send it some kind of an information to me that you guys have got it. Maybe in the next session.
No, I have not it. Till today, I don't have any of your link where I can give a feedback. I have jotted down Divya ma'am's and I've saved it because hers never comes only after her session. So if you send me once, I will save it.
Okay, my dear. I wish I'll do it.
Feedback links are the same for all.
Yeah. For all.
Feedback links are the same for all.
Can you
just have to write the guide name and then send it across.
Acha, we have to write the name of the person down while saying thank
now,
you. No?
Today it was displayed after Mr. Raju Ganda's this thing. He could manage to send us the link on chat. So I sent it, right? But trust me, feedback link jati hi nahi hai. It's just going on loading nahi jati hai. But Deval has mentioned that she can read it.
So the ma'am which I have for you, the one which I have saved for you, I can do it for Anu ma'am also. Okay, I'll give a feedback on that. Okay.
Yeah, mention kar dijiye.
I'll just mention her name there.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, Anu.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Does anyone know the name of the lady from Image Coach?
She's Seema.
Seema.
Seema, Seema, S-I-M-A.
S-E-M-A.
S-I-M-A, she had written on the side, S-I-M-A. She's Anu's friend. I think she's Seema Bambani or something.
Okay, because she wrote that she's interested, but I don't have her name. That's why in the chat box for the...
Now I'll just...
Okay, I have everything now. Thank you.
I also sent you a mail, Anja.
I beg your pardon?
I sent you a mail.
Yes, super. I will connect with you and send you the link. Huh?
Divya.
Okay. Yeah. And please, the one request I have, because it's only half an hour, I always ask everyone to, and it's written in the mail, in the invitation, that you link, hook on 5 minutes before. Because once it is 10:30, I don't accept people anymore because it disturbs the class.
Actually, now Anu has to end the meeting. That's why maybe you're not getting JK.
No, you can just leave. You can leave. Just push the leave button and you're gone.
Okay, Anya.
Okay, bye.
Okay, Anya. Okay, see you.
Bye.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Bye.
Bye.